What's your hobby?
Painting.
How long have you been painting?
5 years.
What kind of paintings do you like?
Abstracts.
What inspires your paintings?
Emotions.
What techniques do you use?
Oil.
Where do you paint?
Studio.
What do you love about painting?
Creative expression.
Do you sell your paintings?
Occasionally.
Favorite colors to work with?
Vibrant.
How do you choose subjects?
Inspiration.
Favorite painting you've done?
Echoes in the mountains.
Tools and materials you use?
Canvases.
Do you paint from imagination?
Sometimes.
Taken any painting classes?
Yes.
Indoor or outdoor painting?
Both.
Challenges you face while painting?
Color mixing.
Favorite painters or artists?
Leonardo da Vinci.
Advice for beginners?
Practice.
Do you listen to music while painting?
Yes.
What do you hope people feel?
Inspiration.